How to buy Telegram Premium easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to buy Telegram Premium. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up telegram.org. You can download Telegram on your iOS or Android. So if you have an account on Telegram and you want to update it and get more features, you have to subscribe to Premium. How to do that? You will open up your Telegram, and after that you have to go to your Telegram settings. Once you get to your Telegram settings, you will find Telegram Premium option. Click on Telegram Premium, and then you have to enter your payment method details and you will be able to buy the premium. When it comes to the Telegram Premium, you will be getting double limits for GB file uploads, faster downloads, unique reactions, premium stickers, profile badges, premium app icons, no ads, custom emojis, and voice message privacy settings. So these are all the features that we get with Telegram Premium, and if you want to buy it, simply go to your Telegram settings and then you have to click on Telegram Premium. You can also get a discount if you go with a premium boat. You can buy a Telegram Premium for $4 to $6. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.